Hello everyone, welcome back to revision time. I hope you all are good. So today I am going to start with the chapter Human Eye and Colorful World. First of all, let us see the structure of human eye. So here we have the structure of human eye. First here we have the cornea, which is a membranous part, and the bulge of cornea here it is known as the eyeball. The light enters from the cornea and eyeball. It is spherical, having the diameter of 2.3 centimeters. Next we have pupil after the eyeball. Here we have pupil, and this pupil it regulates the amount of light which is entering the eyes. For this we get the help of the iris muscles. Here we have these iris muscles. These are the muscles which control the size of the pupil, hence regulating the amount of light entering. This blue part here we have the crystalline lens. It adjusts the focal length of the light. So this part here it is the retina. Retina is the screen of the eyes. The image is formed by the lens over the retina only. Here we have optic nerve which sends the signals from the retina to the brain, and these signals are produced by the special light sensitive cells which are present in the retina. So the eye is filled with the vitreous humor, which is a fluid, also the aqueous humor. These both are the fluid. So last part we have these muscles here over here which are known as the ciliary muscles. What does they do? They contract and relax, and this changes the shape of the lens, hence it provides the focusing. So we have two conditions: when these muscles are in the relaxed position or when they contract. So when they relax, the eye lens it becomes thin and the focal length it increases. So what will happen here? We can see the faraway objects, the objects which are at a distance very clearly. On the other hand, when they contract, the eye lens becomes thick, the focal length decreases, and hence we are able to see the nearby objects very clearly. So what is this happening here? We are adjusting the focal length only, and the ability of the lens to adjust the focal length according to the distances, it is known as the accommodation or the power of accommodation. So the focal length it cannot be decreased below a certain level. So we have two conditions here: near point of the eye and far point of the eye. What is the near point? It is the nearest point at which we can see the objects very clearly without any support of lenses or without having the strain on our eyes. Similarly, what is the far point? It is the farthest point where we can see the objects clearly. So for a normal young adult, the near point it is 25 centimeters, and far point it is between 25 to infinity. Infinity we denote it as like this. Next, let us see the defects of vision. We have three types: myopia, hypermetropia and presbyopia. First is myopia. It is also known as nearsightedness. So hence, as the name suggests, we can see the nearby objects very clearly. So what happens here? The image it forms in front of the retina only, right? So why is this caused? It can be caused by the excessive curvature of eyeball or the elongation of the eyeball. How we can correct it? We can use the concave lenses. So as we can see here, first picture it is the normal eye. Here what is happening? The image is forming here, that is in front of the retina. Retina is here, so that means this is the myopic eye. Here we are using the concave lenses. Now what is happening? The image is again forming on the retina. So that means by using the concave lens, we can treat the myopia. Now next we have hypermetropia. It is opposite to the myopia. It is farsightedness. That means we can see the farther objects clearly, but nearby objects are blur vision, right? What is happening here? The near point has now shifted. It is more than 25 centimeters. And the image that is forming behind the retina here, this is the retina, and image is forming here. Why? It is because the long focal length of eye lens and the eyeball that has become too small. How we can correct it now? We can use the convex lenses here. Earlier we used the concave lenses for myopia. Here we can use convex lenses. So now image is forming on the retina only. Third condition we have is of presbyopia. It is combination of both myopia and hypermetropia. Why it happens? Because of the weakening of ciliary muscles. So what does the ciliary muscles do? Let us recall. They contract and relax to control the shape of the lens. So when the ciliary muscles they are weak, what will happen? The eye lens they will be less flexible now. So the person will be suffer both from myopia and hypermetropia. For this we can use the bifocal lenses. What are these? These are the lenses like this, having both the concave lenses and the convex lenses. Upper part having concave lenses for the farther vision and lower part having the convex lenses for the nearby vision, right? So next condition we have astigmatism. What is this? So this is the condition when the person is able to either see vertical or horizontal. He cannot see both simultaneously. So how we can correct it? By using the cylindrical lenses. So the last condition we have is of cataract. Here there is partial or complete loss of vision. Why? Because the eye lens here becomes milky, it appears to be whitish color, and because of the membranous growth over the eye lens. How we can correct it? We can simply go for the cataract surgery. It is a very common condition in old ages and we commonly call it as motia, right? So tell me in the comment section, who are you? Are you myopic or hypermetropic or presbyopic? Who are you? I am a myopic person, right? So this was all about this lecture. I hope you all liked it. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.